Okay, let's get started. First, let's look at the question 1. X and y are independent with fx equals to ux minus 1 minus u minus ux minus x minus 2. F1 equals to uy minus uy minus 1. Z equals to x plus y. Find fz by two methods. The first method is convolution method. The second method, geometric method. First, let's look at the first method. It says that fz equals to fxz fyz equals to fx alpha fx equals to fx alpha fy z minus alpha d alpha. It is equals to okay. I ignored some facts. Okay, let's plot the fx and fy. We know that fx is like x, right? Y, right? As it's the diagram of these two functions. Let's calculate the fx. Let's calculate the fx equals to ux minus ux and fy uy. Let's calculate this first, and since we know that it is actually x minus 1, x minus 2, we can just shift the result to the right side by 1. Okay, so we can got this u alpha minus 1 u z minus alpha u z minus alpha minus 1 d alpha. Okay, it is equals to this one u alpha u z minus alpha d alpha u alpha u z minus 1 minus alpha d alpha u alpha minus 1 u z minus alpha d alpha plus u alpha minus 1 u z 1 z alpha d alpha. Right. We can do the calculation as following. Yeah, since it is not actually the infinite, we can smaller the scope. U alpha u z say minus alpha d alpha dot uz then u alpha u say minus 1 minus alpha dot u say minus 1 u alpha u say minus alpha dot u say minus 1 plus u alpha right. So it is actually equals to this one. So all of this are equals to 1, right? So we can get directly it is equals to they okay. Actually, the answer is same as the last homework, so we can draw the function easily like this. So it is actually the function of fc. So we right shift and we got the function. Okay, this is the result of this one, and we got the actually fc equals to a minus 1 u z minus 1 2 z minus 2 u z minus 2 z minus 3 u z minus 3. Okay. Second, I will use the geometrical methods. What is to use the geometrical methods? We should know that we can use the method in the question 1 as the same. Fx equals to ux minus 1. F y equals to uy minus uy, right? Then shift right shift 1 as the same. F equals to pz smaller than z equals to px y smaller than z, right? So the first situation, say smaller than 1, we got the function is a square, and is a z. It's the line x plus y equals to z. So f z equals to, right? And the second situation, they larger than smaller than 2. We know that x and y are so the length of the range of x and the range of y are equals to 0 to 1. So we got the function again, x, y equals to z, right? And this time the range becomes this. So so f z equals to 2 minus 2 this and this rectangle's area, right? So yeah, and this equals to this. The third situation, say larger than 2. In this situation, of course, fzz equals to 1 and fzz is 0. So in this way, we can still get the function like that. And we just right shift the function, and our answer is f z minus 1 u z minus 1 2 u z minus 2 u z minus 2 z minus 3 u z minus 3, right? As a result. Okay, thank you.